known bucket list events for over a century. In fact, we're just days away from the 102nd running of the most famous race in the world, the Indy 500!
Show me those pearly whites, Dena.
This city knows how to design experiences. In fact, Indy will shift into high gear to host MPI's closing celebration here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. You don't want to miss this party or the opportunity to run this track at 120 miles per hour.
Buckle up, Blizzard.
All right.
We're going for a ride.
All right, hit it, hoops, let's go! Woo! You'll have the opportunity to snap some photos, meet some real Indy drivers, and say cheers from the victory podium.
On race day, the winner drinks milk.
Milk? Who's drinking milk? Where's the wine?
Hey, don't forget to register. We'll see you in June.
Wine. There's got to be wine somewhere. Why is there no wine?